Merryart was established in 2000. They have over 30,000 square feet of working space and a combination of over 400 employees. This manufacturing company specializes in fun bubbles, glow sticks, and toy storage products. Not only do they have operations here in Ningbo, China, they also have operations in Dallas, Texas, under the name of NovaLink LLC. With the combined experience of both companies, they're able to provide quality products to the international market. Some of those markets include US, Canada, and EU.
So this is our bubble range, and our biggest advantage on the bubbles is the capacity and the costing. So we're making all the parts in our own factory, and the capacity is very large. Like this, the bubble wand, we have the biggest capacity in China. This glow stick is actually is from the start, when the company starts.
Oh, from the beginning.
Yeah, and you see a lot of glow sticks here, and we are very innovative on the glow sticks.
Okay.
And products say, 80% of the products sold in the market is developed by us.
To maintain those standards, they have some of the things that China Toy and Juvenile Product Association look for as far as being a certified supplier. Some of the areas that they look at is the ICTI, which is part of the social responsibility, that maintains that they provide a good, adequate dormitory and good cafeteria meals for the employees. They also have testing standards that they have achieved, such as the EN71 and the ASTM F963. You can see that they have the mechanism of putting this plastic tube inside the compartment here that allows it to go through this process right here. And in this process, it's filled up with the liquid, and it helps to make the glow stick more useful. And as you come through this process, remember earlier I showed you the glass tube here. And what happens at this phase, the glass tube actually goes inside the plastic stick. So in this process, you can see that they're taking and they're putting the glass tube inside the plastic part. And along the assembly line, you can see it's continuing going down the production part. Now here, this is the press area. This actually takes and press the top on top of the tubing so to make it more secure. We're now inside the production design area for Ningbo Merryart. This company is very innovative in the design concept that they have created throughout the years. Their staff, both here in Ningbo and Dallas, are very creative with all types of design products that they created throughout the years. As a matter of fact, they have been awarded the Walmart Most Innovative Product Design in 2015. Now we're inside the QC laboratory here at Ningbo Merryart. As part of the Certified Initiative Program here at China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, we want to ensure that these manufacturers provide the highest standards when it comes to quality control of the products that they provide.